Okay, we've just done the descent. That was pretty easy. Oh, I mean, we're only this far into it. Level 9 of 273, or level 3 of something. I don't know. Whatever. So let's go to the next easy puzzle. Oh, I thought I was. Huh. I'm sure I saw sure I saw one called onboarding there. Oh well, let's go for easy. So, alright, power of Thor. Like when your butt is Thor. This puzzle need to compare different values, correlate character variables and integer variables. A straightforward solution uses 8 conditions. Use a way to simplify it and use only 4, so that'll be a case, I guess. Blah, blah, blah. Anything else? Yep. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. Sure. Let's go over go. Alright. Thor's got to reach the light of power. Oh, okay. Oh well, I can do it in any of these languages. I can only read about 6 of them. Okay. Auto-generated code. Blah blah blah. Use the debug string. Initial X, initial TY. Thor needs to follow my orders. Alright. Thor moves on the map, which is 40 wide. Okay, by 18 high. I wonder if there's some sort of grid you can put on. Coordinate X, Y, so that'll be 0, 0 up there, I guess. Yep, 0, 0. Most bottom right, 39, 17. Cool, got that. Light X, X position of the light of power that Thor must reach. Is that? I guess that must be procedurally generated. And then an initial state. Oh, so we don't have a. Are they random? Don't know. Must output the direction in which you want Thor to go among. Okay, yep, cool. Each movement makes Thor move by 1 cell in the chosen direction. Blah blah blah. Initial phase. He sits. So there is an initial. Okay. Note: do not forget to execute the test from the test cases panel. Alright. Yep. Must read the initialization data. So line 1's 4 integers is going to have the x and y coordinates of Thor and the light. God. Blah blah blah. Remaining turns. Ignore this data, but you must read it. What? Oh, okay. What's there? I guess. Don't know what to do with that yet. Figure it out. Signal line providing the most. Yep. Okay. Cool. Constraints. Yep. That's all less than 30 and 18, depending on where it is. Response time 100 milliseconds. So I kind of just like beam it out the space. Synopsis. Blah blah blah. Okay. All right. Let's see the console. Let's just run the first test and see what happens. There's, go. Thor is floating in a straight line. Okay, so Thor position, blah blah blah. Wandered off the path, then died. Invalid position. What was his position? Right. So 19 on the y-axis, and the light positions there. Yada yada. So this was just sending him southeast each time. So let's just for shits and giggles, let's go southwest. So he should go from here or wherever it is, unless we'll be able to see if the sources are put in programmatically as well. Yeah, there we go. So, all right, cool. Alright, so we can work with this now. remaining turns Thor can move. Do not remove this line. Okay. Initial Y is blah blah blah. Pass inputs 0. Where's the inputs? Was that listed here? I think so, somewhere. Doesn't matter, we should be able to figure it out from what we get. Okay, so kill troll with sword. Alright, not sure what to do with the remaining turns yet. But we'll figure that out. So inputs, okay, so the inputs is it's an array of strings. And now while true, blah blah blah. Okay. So if right, all right, yeah. So basically, if light X is less than Thor X, well, not initial X, but we got to get Thor's position. Then Thor X momentum will be to go west. Right, okay, I can see we're going to run into a couple little gotchas along here, but we'll, alright, so string X from Thor Thor X so Thor X equals initial X. We might have to change that later if there might be an easier way. And int Thor equals initial Y. Oh, whoops, ty. What's the T for? Oh, right, that's Thor. Alright. I'm not sure if we're going to need it here. So remaining turns. Oh, right. We might be able to jump a couple if it's. Oh, yeah. So if it's. No, let's not jump the gun right now. But yeah, basically, if the light X is several shots over, we can make Thor. No, we can only move one tile at a time. All right, I think. Actually, oh no, it's only one line. Unless we can probably hack it to make it work that way, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. All right, so if light X is less than Thor X, then we can initialize this up here, I think. Be a character char Thor go X and char Thor go Y. Thor go brr. So if light X is less than Thor X, then Thor go X equals, are they in capitals or does a case not matter? We'll do capitals anyway. Because we want him to go west because the light is to the left of Thor. Or was that having a problem? Cannot string to char. What? Why is that gone like that? Where's that coming from? Ugh. It's still a fucking string. Ugh. Anyway, let's just use strings. I forget there's a certain way that C# deals with strings versus that, so we can initialize it with empty string, and alright, now it's not giving me the shits. Right, so if it's west, else if, is it a single word in this? I can't remember. No. Else if light X is greater than Thor X, then Thor go X equals he go east like this. Otherwise, actually we probably don't need to even set it, but I will just to make it explicit. X equals and now we can do this. Where do we get his current position from? Okay, yep. How's that come out? Oh, and we'll also do this Thor X +1. Could do shorthand, but can't be asked. Alright, so Thor X remains the same in this scenario. And so we'll do the same for here. I just want to write it out. So if light Y is less than Thor E, then Thor go Y equals, he's got to go south, and Thor Y equals Thor Y -1. else if hey, light. Oh, hang on. Whoa. Oh no, that's right. No, that's correct. If light y is greater than Thor y, so the light is above, then Thor go y equals north, and Thor current y equals Thor current y plus 1. Else Thor go y equals big fat donut. So now console right line will be console right line. Now we're going to have string concatenation issues, or is this going to work out okay? So it's always going to be the y-axis first. So Thor go y plus Thor go x. So that should come out as like northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. I think that's it. I'm not sure what this remaining turns is going to do. Might, yeah. All right. Let's just go see what happens. All right. Yeah. So he's going up and to the right, up and to the right, up and to the right. Should just keep going right now. Well, it's still going. All right. Nailed it. Thor reached the flash of power in time. He had 74 energies left. I don't know what that means yet. So it starts out with 100, I guess. Yeah. All right. So this is with no obstacles or anything, but all right. So let's see this cases. Uh-oh. What happened there? South. Thor position 3118, light position 314. Why did I send him south? Have I got this wrong way around? If light X, oh yeah, I did too, dickhead. Hang on, no, it's not right. Oh yeah, yeah. How did this one work then? Straight line, why? Alright, we're getting down there, so now try the optimal angle. Don't know what this means. We're going to run out of energy. Made it. Alright, done. 100%. Yep, no, it's alright, got it. Let's see if what did the best solution do? Oh, he did the read line stuff. I don't think I did that. So yeah, he's just called it next X, and I called it which way, and he put it, concatenated it into a single thing there. And he made an actual function to do it. Yeah. Right. Okay. He's got the deltas in there. Yeah, that's a lot more code than necessary. I don't know if that's optimal. Now, what was this remaining time thing? Because I didn't see it. Ah, right. So if next move is string empty, then just don't bother. But why would it be empty? I guess if the light was moving around, maybe. Alright. So what's this? Skip the review. Publish your solution and gain XP. What? Whatever. Oh, God. Okay. Alright, let's try the next one. Reach level 4. So I guess these are ads, aren't they? Shadows of the Night. Alright, I'll start another.